because my hands look amazing. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally kind of just got out of bed, so like don't mind me. Anyways, for today's video we're gonna be doing a maintenance glow up transformation vlog, y'all. I didn't even have no nails on and I just forgot to include it. But you already know I popped off because, like I said, it's a transformation. I usually do not go all out as much and do bling just because I'm usually the type of person that switches my nails up every 2 weeks. And I just feel like this is a waste and someone else could have had all this bling and I could have made money from that. But, again, this is my opposite hand. Like, period. I ate. You know, I'm the nail tech, y'all, okay? Anyways, also my bed's dirty, but look at Hazel. She's so cute. Anyways, I have to drive to the mall. I mean, I could wait, but I kind of want to go now. But I have a package for me there, which is hairstyle I'm supposed to be wearing in my partial walker. And I have a client coming today in like maybe 15 minutes. So I feel like I have enough time to drive down there real quick and get it. That way, after her set, I don't have to leave the house. But one thing I'm scared about is it being too short. I don't remember how long I got it, but I definitely wanted like some length. Okay, it definitely is like super blonde. Like, I usually get 13 times 6 and this is like way shorter than what I would normally wear. But I really don't think I'm gonna be wearing the blonde wig like that a lot. So that's why I got a 13 times 4 versus the wigs I wear a lot, which are 13 times 6. It definitely does feel thin, but the good thing about this is I have a hair appointment on Thursday to get my natural hair braided, so I feel like it's gonna look really good and nice and flat on me. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my set. That was the only set I had for today. I'm about to make me some food and relax, but I'm gonna show you guys a video of the nails I just did. Also, me and my like hairstylist or whatever were texting, and I'm not getting my hair braided Thursday. I'm getting it braided Wednesday instead. But I think I'm still gonna install it Thursday instead. I'm going to go in with this foot mask. It says it takes about 4 to 14 days for like when the feet will start peeling. I just hope that they start peeling like way sooner. But yeah, so now I'm about to go and start my toes. Right now I have just white toes because my hands look amazing. I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow and I'm doing my install Thursday morning. Since I have nails at 10:30, I can just do my hair after that. Okay, y'all, so I finished the application of my feet and filed them, and then after I got done with that, I went in with the soft feet stuff and left that on for about an hour. As you can see, it's like dark outside compared to how it was in the last clip. And then yeah, right now I'm about to go to the store with my friend. I've got some soda and my favorite pink cup. And I just have like my keys and my money and my wallet, and this is the fit. Y'all, this is how they is looking. Pink French tip, which is different. I usually always do white on me, so to do like pink, you know, it's a big deal. But yeah, y'all, that is that. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm heading to my like hair appointment or whatever. I'm kind of mad at myself though because I only took out half of my hair. So, well, I took out all of the butterfly locks, but like my natural hair, I only took half of it out, you know? So, like, I guess like I wasn't keeping up with the time good, so I'm gonna ask her if she can take the rest out and I just pay her extra. Okay, y'all, so I just got them done per. Okay, y'all, so I didn't show me installing it, but here are the results. This is how I looked per. I was really feeling myself.
Gotta switch on the route. Can't let them follow the snake to the house. I wish I could stop. I'm all in other countries. Maxing out my debit cards in one star. Take a pretty girl and give her what she want. I'm just having fun. Catch me.
Okay, y'all, but yes, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I felt like a bad bitch, bro, throughout this video. It was really just the nails that was just really doing everything. And then the toes were just giving. I love my toes. I've never really done anything like that. I deadass only do white or French tip. This is my first time using color on me in like years, bro. Years. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and check out my other videos. And bye.